If you want to start using the paid version of Card, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a card on phone. On your mobile devices, click Chrome. You can also select Safari if you're using iOS. Then search for card. And then after that, start opening the card.com in Chrome on your phone. Once you click it, it will redirect you to its homepage where you will choose a starting point. In here, you can browse the templates of card, and you can also create from scratch by selecting the blank page for the empty content. And then after that, it will redirect you to its build page where you will see here its features. If you want to delete this sample text, just simply click the trash bin icon and it will automatically delete its content. Now, if you want to add container, just click the plus button and select container. And if you want to add a element, just select text or any elements you want to put into your card. It's up to you. You can also edit it. You can change its font. You can put a responsiveness if you want to have a button. You can also put animation, images, columns, links, videos, music, audio, bullets, and many more. Now, when you're happy with the design, tap preview to make sure everything looks good. Then just hit publish, choose a free URL or connect your own domain if you're on Pro. This content I'm creating is just an example to give you an idea how to create a card on your phone and how to use it. And that's it. That's how you make a card on phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.